If you're seeing the invalid credentials error in the Epic Games launcher, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest fix step by step. This is one of the most common launcher issues, and in many cases it happens because of corrupted cache files inside the Epic Games launcher folder. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes by clearing the web cache and restarting your computer. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, you need to fully close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure it is not running in the background. If needed, right-click the Epic Games icon in the system tray and exit it completely. This part matters because if the launcher is still open, Windows may not let you delete the cache files properly. Once the launcher is fully closed, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the run box. Now type %locale appdata% and press enter. This will take you to your local AppData folder, where a lot of application data is stored. From here, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, open the Saved folder. This is where the launcher stores temporary files, settings, and cache data. Now, look for the Webcache folder and delete it. If you also see a Webcache 430 folder, delete that as well, because that version of the Webcache can also cause the invalid credentials issue. Removing these files clears out the broken login data and forces the launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts. After deleting the cache folders, close the window and restart your computer. Restarting is important because it helps fully reset the launcher process and makes sure the old cached session data is completely cleared from memory. Once your computer turns back on, open the Epic Games launcher again and try signing in. In most cases, the invalid credentials error should now be gone, and the launcher should open normally. If you still have trouble, double check that the web cache folder was removed correctly and that the launcher was fully closed before you deleted anything. Sometimes repeating the steps one more time can help if a file was locked or not removed properly, and that's it. You've now fixed the invalid credentials error in Epic Games by clearing the web cache and restarting your PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting videos.